Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and today I am making strawberry jam. I am making a quick and easy freezer strawberry jam. My mother-in-law makes this for our family every single year, and we just love it. It's so delicious on biscuits, toast, pancakes, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. It's just the best. Now, all you will need are 3 ingredients: strawberries, sugar, and then you'll need a package of Sure Jell. Now, the recipe comes right out of the box. It's for the quick and easy freezer jam, and I'm just going to follow the instructions exactly how it says. It's so easy. I know that you will love it. I'm excited to share this with you and show you just how to make it, because you guys know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. All right, so I am rinsing off my strawberries. You'll need to remove the stems. I'm just going to slice them and place them in a large bowl. So I'm placing my strawberries in my food processor, and I'm just going to give a couple quick pulses because I want to crush them. All right, so you will need 2 cups of the crushed strawberries, and you want it to be exactly 2 cups. All right, then you will need 4 cups of sugar. All right, then you're going to stir the sugar into the strawberries. And I know it seems like a lot of sugar, but you want to do the exact measurements. You don't want to reduce the sugar or add more sugar. Now it says to let this sit for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. So in this small sauce pot, I have 3/4 of a cup of water, and I'm going to add this pectin. All right, I'm going to turn on the heat. All right. So I'm going to cook this. I'm going to bring it up to a boil. Once it boils, I'm going to let it boil for 1 minute, stirring constantly. It says to pour the pectin into the strawberry mixture. All right, then it says to stir for 3 minutes. All right, then you'll need to fill your jars, and you can pretty much use any container that you want. In the canning section of Walmart, you can find the freezer containers that are plastic. I am using little jelly jars, and to them I found some plastic reusable lids because these will be kept in the freezer, and that's what I'm using. So I just wanted to show you that. If you do use jars, make sure that they are sanitized. That's important. So I just let these boil in a pot of hot water for 10 minutes, took them out, let them dry. All right, I'm going to use a funnel, and I'm just going to start to fill my jars. You do want to make sure that you leave room at the top for it to expand in the freezer. All right, so now is the hard part. You gotta let them set for 24 hours at room temperature. And I have 4 jars here. They're around 2 cups per jar. But yeah, they gotta sit at room temperature for 24 hours, and then after that, you can keep them in the freezer for up to 1 year or in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so it has been 24 hours later. The jam is nice and set. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I love this jam. Oh, this jam is seriously the best ever. I just love it. It is so delicious. I hope that you give it a try because I know that you will love it too. All right, just remember that after you let it sit for 24 hours, you can either put it in the freezer for up to a year or the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.